There is CDO Uptown. Let's go. This is what we got, ang Malo Matcha. We also have Ubi no Auba. For our dessert, we have banana pudding, we have classic, and with matcha. Let's eat. Taste test. If matcha lover ka, kailangan ganahan ka. So let's try ang ube. Ano isa ng ube? Ganahan ko niya, mag-complement ra. Classic banana pudding. Now let's try with matcha. Gamay na kaya matcha pero lamig siya. If matcha lover ka, heaven kinesimuha. Naa sila every weekend there is sa Don Pacifico Events Place sa CDO Uptown. Let's go!